gotta say a word, keep getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love them. I love them. Goddamn, I love them. I love them.
Okay, ladybugs and love bugs, let's talk about it. Do you see my new mirror? It is approximately 35 inches wide, 71.5 inches tall, and baby, it's doing its thing. Yes! So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right on into it. This is the true definition of another woman's trash is another woman's treasure. Guys, I have been in the market looking for a large mirror so that I can start decorating my second level. And I would have never known that somebody did not have any use for a mirror of this size, this piece. Like, how do you not have any use for this? It is beautiful, very modern, which is kind of my style. And to think that you didn't have any use for this, girl, let me tell you something. One thing about me is I am good for a good yard sale. Baby, you have a good yard sale, baby, I'll be the first one there. I love a good bargain. I am one of those girlies. I don't care how much money I make, how much money I have. Baby, I'm okay with secondhand. Like, do you see this mirror? Oh, baby, I can't wait for me and my mini-me to start taking our selfies and do our mini-me and mom look-alike, because baby, this is definitely giving. Yes, it is. Yes, yes, yes. Again, this is the true definition of another woman's trash makes another woman's treasure. Y'all look at this. Y'all see how I look? Baby, the fact that I done copped this mirror by 9 a.m. in the morning, baby, that's why I'm dressed like this, okay? Because all I did was drop my daughter off to school. But I would have never known that this was going to be on the early morning list. So, baby, I done picked this mirror up. I done wiped it down with some Clorox wipe. Then going to put some Windex on that mirror to get all that, the little streaks out. Baby, it's on and popping. Yes! So now this has motivated me to now just go online, start looking at some furniture pieces so that I can go ahead and get my second level completed. So yeah, we will be having some videos coming to you soon in this room because, baby, we got a new mirror. Yes, yes, yes. I will say this is one of the bonuses of living in a really, really, really nice neighborhood. Because listen, baby, these folks out here be buying these things, using it for a couple of days, couple of weeks, and then they're done with it. But it's always going to be a girlie like me who's going to be like, run me that address. I'll be over there in a minute. Let me see what I can get. Let's go ahead and get these bargain deals. And baby, look, I ain't too proud to beg. Let me tell you that. Not for something that I know I can bring to light, not for something that I can refurnish or whatever the case may be and make it out into another statement piece. Hey, I'm that girl. I don't mind. But anywho, I just wanted to come on and share my new mirror with you guys. And yeah, I will go ahead and tell you before I leave, if you are in need of something and if your community have a Facebook community page, do not be ashamed to go on there and ask, is anybody selling a dresser? If anybody's selling a dining room table, because you will be surprised of the things that people are holding on to that they no longer need and would sell it to you for the lowest price. And I'm talking about these things be like in excellent condition, at least in my neighborhood. So before you go out and spend $300-$400, baby, check with your community, because you could probably get that thing for $30-$40, okay? Because I can tell you right now, I got this mirror for $50. And this was not a light mirror. Like, I struggle getting this mirror upstairs. Her husband had to actually put it in my car because it's thick. Like, it's thick, but it's heavy. So, baby, for $50, that's all. I'll take it. I'll take it. But anywho, just wanted to come on and show that piece. Like always, I wish you guys nothing but love, peace, and blessings. And know we are shopping on a budget.